Educational game design is complex, resource-intensive, and requires multiple interdisciplinary skill sets. This paper presents a structured approach to adapting existing tabletop games for educational purposes, addressing the complexities and resource demands associated with designing effective game-based learning tools. It also proposes that the interaction behaviours of non-digital games can make them much more appropriate to many teaching situations. The proposed workflow integrates established research in serious game design with new analysis techniques, centering on aligning learning objectives with game mechanics. This dual emphasis ensures that educational modifications enhance engagement without compromising pedagogical value. A case study aimed at improving postgraduate students' proficiency and confidence in conducting literature reviews analyses the modification of a game, showing how the workflow can be practically applied and how systematic adaptation of game elements can effectively meet specific educational goals. This research offers educators a feasible strategy to create high-quality, customised serious games which leverage the advantages of analogue interactions whilst maintaining pedagogical rigour.